Federation of African Football has reached a decisive ruling today, awarding Nigerian Super Eagles 3 points and 3 goals for the unplayed 2025 African Cup of Nations qualifier against Libya. This ruling strengthens Nigeria's position at the top of their qualifying group, with the Super Eagles now commanding 10 points from 4 matches. The decision puts them 4 points clear of their closest competitors, the Benin Republic. The verdict has left Libya at the bottom of the group standings, with just 1 point and facing financial penalties. CAF has imposed a $50,000 fine on the Libya Football Federation, which must be settled within 60 days of the official notification. Looking ahead, the Super Eagles now need just a draw against Benin Republic in their upcoming match in Abidjan to secure their place in the 2025 African Cup of Nations. The tournament is scheduled to be hosted by Morocco in December 2025. Stay informed with more news updates at NaijaNews TV.